Welcome back to 20 Car. Some machines whisper their presence. Others announce themselves with a roar. The 2025 Lamborghini Huracán Concept does neither. It arrives like a meteor, searing through the atmosphere, its razor-edged silhouette sculpted by speed itself. A single glance confirms it. This is no mere successor, it is an evolution, an untamed beast reborn in carbon fiber and ambition. Lamborghini's audacity reaches new heights with an aerodynamic masterpiece, featuring a hyper-aggressive front fascia, Y-shaped LED signatures that slice through the night, and an active aero system that morphs in real time to maximize downforce. The rear? A war cry of exposed titanium exhausts and a translucent engine cover showcasing the masterpiece beneath. Inside, fighter jet theatrics meet artisanal craftsmanship. A fully digital, AI-integrated cockpit delivers instantaneous telemetry, while a new haptic feedback steering system translates thought into motion. Alcantara, carbon fiber, and Italian leather fuse into a cockpit that cocoons yet commands. At its heart lies a revamped V10, now electrified, unleashing an estimated 850 horsepower. The result? A blistering 0 to 100 km height in just 2.3 seconds, forcing rivals like the Ferrari 296 GTB, McLaren Artura, and Porsche 911 Turbo S into a desperate game of catch-up. Yet, with greatness comes sacrifice. Its brutal stiffness and uncompromising ride may challenge daily driving comfort. But this is not a car for the faint-hearted. It's a Lamborghini, engineered for those who crave the visceral thrill of the impossible. The storm is coming. Will you harness it?